Hello, hello, hello. Great day, great day, great day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the mastermind, what it really is, how to form one, and the spiritual element behind the mastermind. This topic came to my mind recently when I was talking with a few of my close friends, my study partners. Like, this is a study session. This is how I study. So I was talking with them about the mastermind, that I'm working on a project that I wanted to work with some of them and see if they could assist me with that mental energy. When two people are talking and they're going back and forth, over time, after 20 minutes, the minds merge. And another mind, a third mind, is created within 20 minutes. It exists. Go and do your homework, go and do your research. I've got all this information myself, personally, from Think and Grow Rich. I also got the mastermind from The Law of Success. This Law of Success was written, as you can see, in 1928. And that's the same one you see here, the Law of Success. So these are, I just printed the Law of Success so that I could write on my notes. So I'm going through this Law of Success, and I'm reading about the mastermind, how the spiritual elements how that when two people come together, a third mind is created. It's a lot deeper than this. I'm just giving you a real condensed version. You should all go and do your own research. Make sure you get your copy of the Law of Success, the 1928 version, and go deeper and get yourself a copy of the Law of Success, 1925 version. So what I'm speaking about is direct facts. If you don't have any of these books, you haven't read them, don't talk too much. So back to what I was saying here. I was reading about the mastermind and how it's formed. And that when two come together, you create a mastermind. You don't want 50 people in your mastermind. That's not a mastermind. That's a group gathering. When you're online, people are saying we're having a mastermind, and you go there are like 50 people, 30 people. That's not a mastermind. That's a brainstorming session. A mastermind is really close-knit. Really close-knit. Between 8 to 12 max, depending. Go and investigate this too through Andrew Carnegie. Back in the early 1900s, he had a mastermind. Even if you look at Jesus, he had his disciples, 12. Most masterminds are short, compact. There is even the favorite mastermind of 2, man and woman, in holy matrimony. If they're together, they're in perfect sync. Look at their lives. Beautiful. If you're with a partner and you're not in sync, there's always going to be chaos. There's no mastermind that will be produced properly. There's a mastermind when they're together, but the mastermind is confusion. Like in the book, Outwitting the Devil. You all need to read this. Outwitting the Devil was written in after Think and Grow Rich. So this Outwitting the Devil, there is a chapter. For some reason, they didn't put in the book. I have that chapter. Look at these two things. I don't know if you guys can see them. Let me leave it here for a few seconds so you guys can write it and go and do your homework like I have. I've been studying Napoleon Hill since 2011. So I'm like a scientist with Mr. Hill's information. Go and do your homework. So I have all these books, and I'm now reading The Invisible Counselors, where Mr. Hill, Napoleon, is talking about how he created his mastermind in his mind, because he used his imagination to create his invisible counselors. His invisible counselors, he used his imagination to create them. Let me even come directly. Let me read some of the things he threw into his mastermind, in his mind. This Napoleon Hill was amazing. He wrote some really great stuff. But there were great people. Mr. Carnegie. These are the people that he built his mind after. Let me get to the very front of this. Here we go. Rebuilding character through autosuggestion. Let me show you what this is really quickly. If you can catch it, please do. Wow. Mr. Emerson, Mr. Burbank, Napoleon, Mr. Paine, Mr. Darwin, Mr. Lincoln, Mr. Carnegie, Mr. Ford, Mr. Edison. These are the people he fashioned his mind after. After 3 months of this nightly procedure, he did this for 3 months. So if any of you are trying to do it or want to get into it, it's 3 months minimum. It's from the book that was written, it was hidden actually since 1938. 3 months. So if you're emailing me or texting me, how long does it take? Why is it not happening? It says 3 months. If you want to get this document, you need to contact me below. But it's not free. I paid a lot of money for all these documentations, books that some of you will never get your hands on and read. So I studied these books, and I'm like going through them and understanding it's all like a puzzle. You have to follow it. So unconsciously I was following it, and now I'm applying it. Creating a mastermind. I was looking for people to work with on the mastermind. As I'm looking forward to people to mastermind with, I'm thinking, let me do like Napoleon. Let me create my mastermind for myself. And I'll be going through that for the next 3 months. If you care to join me, leave a link in the comments. Let's do this together. For the next 3 months, I'm going to fashion certain things after myself, for myself, through this invisible counselors technique, which is a mastermind. It's a mastermind. You're creating a mastermind in your mind. Like right now, many of you have businesses, or you're wanting to get into business, or you're working for somebody. Create someone in your mind that you want to listen to. Like for me, I'm just creating my Zik 2.0 version in my mind. The version of myself I see myself as. Working with my invisible counselors, which I will select. Who knows, I might even put Napoleon on to sit in my council seat. I just have to see them in a council setting in my mind for 3 months. This is going to be an amazing thing. So for all those of you who are out there alone, you're studying alone, you don't have an accountability partner, you don't have anybody to push you or to motivate you forward, reach out to me. Let me know. I'll cheer you on. But if not, maybe you're the shy type, it's okay. Create your own mastermind in your mind, and just as you go to sleep, start to think about it. This is my mastermind. This is my counsel. And from what they said, after 3 months, things would change. So what do we have to lose? We got about, I don't know, how many more days to the end of the year? Where's my calendar? Wow, it's less than 90. Oh, wow, this is great. So if you're going to try this with me, just know that 2026 This is going to be a phenomenal year for you and me. Wow, this is great. So let me know, you Napoleon Hill fans out there, what you understand about the mastermind. If you've tried it, if you're in any mastermind, share with me. But if you also want to try this invisible counselors technique, let's do it together. It's only 3 months. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I gotta go. Like I said in all my videos, I love you. I love you all. And oh, also, hi mommy. My mom told me she was watching my videos. I was like, wow. So right now, mom, hey, I love you. Have a great day. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you.